I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know.
Kung may purple na flower? Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Purple din yung flower ng talong.
Ito ka pala yung asyenda ko. Nakikita ng mata niyo.
Hi, say hi to your fans.
Oh, ulit.
So this is my husband. He is an all-around husband. He can cook, he can clean, he can save me from drowning. The best husband ever.
Superhero. Dating.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight go by without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like it was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out.
Ay, dinner time. Going sisig rice. Sisig leftovers. Ayan. Yun na. Tapos may sasawan ko mo yun.
You've been trying hard just to make it alone, but I can help you, baby, let me carry the load. I'll do anything to make you see what it's like, 'cause everything is different when you open your eyes. Yeah, so don't you let the sunlight go by without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight.
Pwede ba yun? Pero ito mo na, hindi na ako marunong eh. Ito lang maglaro.